implementing processing system, which is enterprise one algorithm. So that can be run for multiple processes with different usabilities. Here, we first import the libraries and build the datasets. So we are importing libraries like pandas, numpy, instructor, history, and processing standards. Now we calculate the missing value imputation using I replace the missing values with future point. Next, we are going to standardize the data. For standardization the data, I use some standards to like so means for translating the parameters, for certain parameters, we give as if the m value is equal to 3 and maximum value is maximum value of items is equal to 150. And we are printing the values of the parameters. Next, we are visualizing the input feature distribution. Here, before clustering, you visualize the dataset to understand this distribution. So, I plot the scatter plot between the feature 1 and feature 2 of this particular dataset. Now, here we perform FC1 clustering. Here, the persistence elements are same. Negative values in short part this person. So we try multiple clusters values to find the best one. So here I want to exchange for cluster values down 8 to 5 and calculate the selective score for each. And next we are plotting the selective score the that is between number of clusters and selective score. And we evaluate the clustering performance. So here we use again selected partition partition and partition and trophy. So we compute these three metrics for each cluster values. Next, we choose the best model based on the selected score. So by using ARG max and Picture model, then I should not replace in the data frame. So the model with the highest score, highest selected score that is considered as a thing. Now we visualize the clusters uh, to understand the grouping. So I plot the scatter plot and color points based on the cluster labels, looking feature one and feature two. So now we have to display the cluster centers. So I have displayed it using FCM dot centers. And we have to display the clusters in this pathways. So, so what I'm doing here is I'm exporting the dataset for visualization into split family. So I save the data frame as CSV using 2_CSV. So in this experiment, successfully implemented the processing special, adapted different process values in several risk model and visualized the results.